Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial Material Handling Division. I'm the National Sales Manager for New Age. I've seen a lot of things in my life, and I've seen a lot of really bad ladder carts out there. In this case, I want to show you a ladder cart that's designed for narrow aisle picking and fulfillment. This is probably the finest cart in the market. It's the strongest, and I'm going to explain to you why. But first, how do you make that? New Age is an aluminum extruder and a fabricator. I brought a piece of the billet here so you can see what we start with. We use primary, that's non-recycled aluminum. We heat it up to 1100 degrees. We shoot out our shapes. We cure the shapes to the hardness that's needed. This is just a slice of the aluminum as it goes out. These are some of the dies for the shapes. But we can make it exactly what you want. 75% of what I do is custom, built to fit your needs. This is just one of our standard carts that's in the catalog, but there's a lot going on here that you don't see. Currently, the ladder carts that you have today are going to come up with a handle and they're going to have a curve right here. So when the worker gets beyond 2 or 3 steps, they're on their own. So my first thing I'm going to tell you is when you come to this ladder cart, you're going to go, you've got non-stick tape on here so you can't slide off. You've got a step that's bolted and welded in place. You've got these plastic slides so they allow easy sliding up and down. And you've got heavy duty springs here so they retract. So when I go up this ladder cart, it's going to engage, and I've got something to hang on to as I'm going up in a narrow aisle. So if I've got to get up to 10 feet high, I can do that. You've got the grip for safety so you can come down and get off. That's the main thing. There's another thing you don't see. What you don't see is you see the bottom of this leg right here that's loose with a cap on it. It's bolted in here. It's designed to be loose because sometimes when you're going down the aisle you might hit something. You could actually shear that off. This is replaceable. The other thing is you'll notice when it goes down it gets full contact. It's not at an angle like other ladder carts where they rub the end off of one side. And of course the most important thing that you'll never see is this all welded cap. So that way it's full contact and it's not going to wear that cap out. We think of everything that no one else does. The rest of them do not build quality. But this is what we've got to show you. I want you to be aware we use 5x2 casters on here, 2 rigid, 2 swivel. When you're ready to do pick and fulfillment, narrow aisles, this is what you want. We can make it to fit your exact needs. So when you're thinking about getting a ladder cart, you need to think of New Age. We're going to be able to build you a 3-step cart, a 4-step cart, whatever you need. The maximum we can go is 5 steps. But when you're doing your narrow aisle picking, you'll know what you need, and we're here to serve you and take care of it. Thank you for your time.